Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a product review. I haven't done a product review in a bit. I've been doing a lot of empties, my giveaway I did, and some book videos. So I'm due for an actual product review. Actually, no, the last one I did was a month ago from Kat Von D, the cake pencil and the tattoo liner. But yeah, I like doing a single, quick product review for you guys, just to give you guys my opinions on something in particular. And it's funny because normally the things that I'm giving you guys feedback on when it comes to the isolated product review videos are skincare, makeup, that kind of stuff. Today, I'm going to be doing something a bit different. This is more for body, and it's going to be the Neutrogena Body Clear Body Wash. So this has been my number one body wash for body acne. If you guys have suffered from body acne or are currently suffering from body acne and you're really, conscious about it, definitely try this out. Excuse me. You can get it at any drugstore. Depending on the drugstore, it might be expensive, more expensive than others. I think Walmart carries it for like $8. Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada carries it, I think, for about $10 or $11. So I think it just depends on where you get it. But if you can, get it on sale with a coupon, which is even better, you can get it even cheaper. So this is by Neutrogena. It is their Body Clear Body Wash in the pink grapefruit. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to give you a close-up. This is a brand new bottle. I have repurchased this billions of times. If you have watched my empties videos, more so starting from spring to late summer, you will see this as an empty pop up throughout those empties, because this is my ultimate favorite body wash when it comes to keeping back acne or body acne in general at bay. I get more body acne in the summer because of sweating in the hot weather. I also tend to get more body acne when I start working out, and I have started working out again, so I decided to pick up another one of these just to kind of have it ready for when I need to start using it. And I wanted to show it to you with a full bottle before I start cracking it open. Just because I wanted you to see what the packaging looks like when you go to the store to pick it up for yourself if you're interested. So it is a lathering body wash. It does have, I'm pretty sure it has sulfates in it. So yes, it does have sulfates, so it is going to lather up. What is best in this is that it has 2% salicylic acid. The 2% salicylic acid will be a topical treatment on your skin that will clear up any acne breakouts you have. Now, for me, I usually get like red dots around my chest area or my back, upper back, lower back, and I tend to get like, those red acne spots. And that's due to sweating. And then, I don't shower at the gym. I go straight home and then shower. So, with that said, even in the summertime, if you're hot, you're at the beach, you're sweating, whatever the case is, and you don't shower right away, that can potentially cause some, breakouts. When using this on a daily basis, you will not get, your breakouts will clear up. I would give it about a week. So if you start using this within a week, you'll notice a significant difference. It is a little bit more pricier than other body washes. Like, the soft soap body washes are like $3 to $5. This is almost like 8 to 10. It is a little more expensive. You only get 250 milliliters, but it's so worth it. It'll boost your confidence. I feel like my confidence was boosted when I started using this for my back acne, because it really did clear up my back acne and my chest acne. Girls with big boobs know that in the summertime, in your cleavage area, it can get hot and sweaty in here and cause breakouts. This clears it up. Not kidding. Um, it can be a little bit drying because of the salicylic acid. So what I would suggest is that once you do use it in the shower, you come out of the shower, quickly towel dry, like, pat yourself down, and then go in with any moisturizer that you have. Personally, for me right now, I'm using the Delectables body lotion, coconut and cream. So I use this at nighttime to help hydrate. Just because this body wash can be a bit drying just due to the sulfates and the salicylic acid put together, but it does clear out your skin. So you want clear skin, you kind of have to see which one is more worth it. Add an extra step of lotioning up or suffer with without the clear skin. It's totally up to you and your preference. Personally, for me, I don't mind dealing with the dryness of skin because I have tons of lotions I can use that will, hydrate me anyways. And I always wear body lotion to begin with. So, because I do it anyways, I don't mind it. And I feel like this is the best brand that really does help with my breakouts. There is a no-name brand at Shoppers Drug Mart. It's called the Life brand that they tried to imitate this. I don't really like the scent of it. This one is my favorite scent. The no-name brand just doesn't smell the same, and I feel like it doesn't do as good as a job as this one does. So I will forever repurchase this. This is definitely in my holy grail status. I mainly use this between summer and fall. Or if I'm working out heavily throughout the winter time, I also use this as well because it's great to clear up any acne breakouts from sweating at the gym. So definitely go check it out, guys. I promise you, if your skin works nicely with salicylic acid, this will do wonders for you and you will thank me later. If you have any questions, please let me know in the bottom bar. I love talking to you guys, and I think that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.